Hello and welcome back to my channel Melodious, and I am trying out a recipe. Decided to put another recipe on my channel, trying some new things out. I usually go to Pinterest and things like that to look for recipes, but I got kind of bored with that. So I decided to pull out some old recipe magazines I used to subscribe to. This one is from the Home Cooking magazine, and it's September of '98, so it's 20 years old. And this was a recipe I found I wanted to try. It's a cupcake, so there it is, peanut butter cupcakes, and I will leave this for just a few seconds, so in case you're interested, you can pause the video and you can check it out for yourself. But I am going to try it right now because it looked yummy. And so this is the stuff that you will need. In order, if I can do that, you need flour and baking powder, which I have right here. I'll put that there. Salt. And let's see, sugar, which I have right here. Sugar, milk, creamy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of margarine. I should have given you the, I'll be doing it anyway. Margarine or butter, I think would probably work too. Eggs, vanilla, and some chocolate chips. So those are the ingredients for this cupcake. They are just called peanut butter cupcakes. Kids love these, and I will flip this little page over because this shows you who sent in the thing right there. That's the person that sent in the recipe. So I'm not taking any credit for this recipe. I'm just trying something from one of my old magazines. So there, I'm not trying to take credit. I'm just trying this out. All right, so I'll be right back, and we'll see how we can put these things together. Okay, so I'm back. So I pretty much pre-measured everything just to make it quicker and easier. So first thing they say to do is to preheat the oven to 350, which I've done that already. And then combine the flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, pretty much put all of it in a bowl and mix it. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So I'll do it in order. So here's this is the 1 3/4 cups of flour. And then I need the baking powder, and that's a tablespoon of baking powder. Tablespoon. Over here. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon. I think that's about 1/2 teaspoon. There we go. That's about 1/2 teaspoon. So, and then get this back together. And then 3/4 cup of sugar, which I've already measured. Okay, and 1 cup of milk, which I have right here. Then 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. I have it right here, so we'll just put that on top. Bang. That's good. Okay. And then 1/4 of a cup of margarine, which is right here. Didn't say to melt it, so I'm just gonna put it in as it is. Okay. And 2 eggs, which I have 2 eggs right here. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. There it is. Okay. And then you just mix these on low until blended, then beat on high for 2 minutes. So we'll do some of that right now. thick batter. I have to say right now, I'm gonna try. Look, I have it on high. That's all I can do. So I'm gonna keep mixing this, and I will come back. Okay, so I'm back. So I beat this on high for 2 minutes, and it's a pretty thick batter for sure. And it's really peanut buttery. It smells so good. So I think this is gonna be great. And so I've lined a cupcake tin with little liners, and I decided to get festive and use the Minions. So I am going to now fill these 2/3 full, or eyeball it because I don't know, but I'm just gonna put some in right now. As carefully as I can. They say this makes 12 cupcakes. So, like a dozen, 12 dozen, whatever. I feel like it might make more than that. Because, we'll see. If I have left over, I will make a few more. But as that looks, I don't know, those almost somewhat look like 3/4 full, 3/4 full, I don't know. But we're just filling them, doing what they say to do. Yeah, I think they might have some leftover batter. I can make a few more of these. That's the end of the 12, and I think I filled them pretty full. I think they're even more full than 2/3, so I don't know. I might be able to put a little more. But I have that much batter left. That could easily do like maybe three more cupcakes or something. So just gonna touch off some of these ones that look a little low. Try to give them a little bit more. Yikes. Okay. I think I'm gonna be good with that. So I will make those after these are done. Alright, so the last thing you do is you're supposed to have a cup of chocolate chips, but I'm not going to worry about the measurement. You just sprinkle them on top, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sprinkle a few on top. Because I might end up using more than a cup probably, but I just want a good amount on them. Thanks. Cover it. One on the floor. Just make sure the dog doesn't get it. I will pick it up. I'll just sprinkle more, I think. Yeah, some spaces that need filling, I don't know. Like I said, I probably use more than a cup of this. That's okay, I don't think my daughter will mind. Bing, bing. Now they look pretty okay. Bing. There we go. Okay, so that's what they look like, and then you just stick them in the oven for, how long did they say? 18 to 20 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, these are the cupcakes right out of the oven, and I did a toothpick just to make sure that they came out clean, and they did. And here's one that I cut open just so you can see the inside of it, and tried it, and it has a very good peanut butter flavor, and the chocolate chips on top I think do it for the frosting because it's just the right amount of sweet on top, so you wouldn't need to frost these. I think that's the point of the chocolate chips on top probably, but yeah, I think kids would like these, especially if they like, you know, peanut butter things. So I mean, it's a fun thing to make. Kids would even enjoy making these. It's something you could do with your kids if you wanted. Just a fun treat to have once in a while. So yeah, so that's my video for this week. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.